In steel gray, we have a 2019 Indian Chieftain. Right off the bat, insane amounts of luggage room for the long trips, for clothing and such. 2019, a little different decal looking embellishments on the fuel tank. A lot of technology, AM/FM weather band, radio, the ability to hook up pretty much anything. It'll adapt to a USB connector so you can listen to the music you want when you want and dodge some commercials. Bike features an 111 cubic inch V-twin engine that develops 119 foot-pounds of torque. Plenty. The 2019s are available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.